Milwaukee M18 FUEL 1/2 inch router, 2838-20 review. Real cordless power and honest results. You're mid-route on a white oak panel, cord yanks the base sideways, cut ruined, client watching. That was Tuesday for me. Type guilty if you've mentally thrown a router across the shop at least once. Because here's the question nobody asks out loud. Why are we still designing premium woodworking around a leash? That suffocating drag of cord management on a finished job site, hunting outlets, draping orange cords over client furniture, apologizing for the mess. It quietly kills your professional image one routing session at a time. What if control was actually simple? Because the real problem was never your skill. It was the cord, taxing every single cut you made. Then I plugged in the Milwaukee M18 FUEL 1/2 inch router, and everything got stupidly quiet. Don't just pick any cordless router. Make sure it has a power state brushless motor delivering 2.25 peak horsepower so you never feel that gut punch RPM drop bogging mid-profile through dense hardwood ever again. Here are 6 things that hit differently. First, electronic feedback holds constant speed under load so your finish stays tear-out free. Second, the micro-adjust depth ring dials in changes at 1/64th inch increments for flush trims so precise they look machined. Third, soft start ramps up smoothly so the bit never bites violently on trigger pull. Fourth, dual LED work lights flood shadow out of the cut zone completely. Fifth, dual collet capacity accepts both 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch bits. Sixth, RedLink Plus intelligence kills overload before the motor even feels it. At 2:47 a.m., deadline in 3 hours, I was routing hinge mortises on a 12-door cabinet run. Single charge on an XC 6.0. Every door landed perfectly flush. The blades I never talk about publicly, that depth ring setting nobody reads in the manual, stick around. Here is how the benefit chain actually stacks in real practice. Hours saved on cord management translate directly to sharper mental focus on the cut itself. Sharper focus compounds into cleaner profiles. Cleaner profiles means zero touch-up sanding. Zero sanding means jobs finish faster and clients notice without you saying a word. Pro Tool Reviews called the Milwaukee M18 FUEL 1/2 inch router a true corded replacement, delivering 2.25 horsepower performance with excellent sightlines and dust management. That is a publication professionals trust, not a brand talking about itself. A woodworking content creator admitted on camera that the dual LEDs eliminated the need for a separate lighting rig, saving real setup time per shoot. Tool Guide noted that with this router, professionals no longer have to choose between power and cordless convenience. One verified Home Depot Canada reviewer using the handle 245 Woodworks said cutting felt smooth and consistent, outperforming both Ryobi and rigid 1/2 inch routers directly compared. Which benefit blew your mind most? Comment 1 for precision, 2 for runtime, 3 for pure power. Worried about weight at 6.2 pounds? A professional cabinet maker confirmed it replaced their corded 3 horsepower router for 90% of tasks. The weight is the power. That is the trade everyone stops complaining about after the first real cut. This is the one thing thousands message me about daily. Drop your biggest routing frustration below. Join the ones who quietly upgraded their entire workflow and never looked back at a cord again. The Milwaukee M18 FUEL 1/2 inch router delivers genuine 2.25 peak horsepower, micro-precise depth control, and all-day cordless runtime inside one professional-grade motor unit built for real job sites. First link in the description, I pinned it to the top because I am not letting you miss this. You already knew the cord was never the answer. Now you have the proof.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.